Believe it or not, like it or not, the fanny pack is back. I'm going to show you, probably in less than 30 seconds, how to make the 2018 version. So we in the fashion industry don't always like to call it a fanny pack. The new term is waist clutch. Like a purse, a clutch purse for the waist. So that's what I'm going to show you how to make. What you want to find are purses, nice little purses that you may have lying around the house. Pick them up vintage, small flat purses that ideally have great hardware. That's what you want to look for, that hardware that's already attached. This one's wonderful because it actually comes off very, very easily. So you're going to look for a purse that has great hardware. And the second thing you need, that's it, is a belt. A belt and a purse, and we're done. So what you need to do is if your purse is fortunate enough to just take off the hardware, wonderful. Next is you'll want to cut. So I'm going to use this one here, and I'm just going to cut this little leather strap right off so that we can use that. So it's just very simple. Boom, boom, boom. Cut it, get that side off, and then we're going to do this side off as well, and then we'll be ready to attach it through the belt. Once the strap is cut off, then you just need a belt, and you just feed the belt through. So obviously, depending on the size of the rings or the hardware on that purse will determine how wide of a belt you can use. And that's why I really loved this one, so because it got such a thick belt. And we feed it through, and look at that. Oh my gosh, we're done. Look at me in my little fanny pack. There you go, trending.